Hello guys, my name is Mark Eric Cardinglasan. Pero bago ang lahat ng iyon, please follow, like, and share. Welcome back mga idol. Ang topic ko ngayon ay solar energy. Energy is radiant energy from the sun that can be converted into thermal or electrical energy using technologies like solar panel, which harness sunlight to generate electricity or heat water. Solar energy advantages. Being a renewable and environmentally friendly power source, reducing electricity bills and providing energy independence. Sa madaling salita, nakakatipid ang solar energy sa ating kuryente. Alright mga tropa, nasa disadvantage na tayo ng ating solar energy. Its high upfront cost and intermittent weather-dependent nature includes the significant space required for installation, the costs and challenges of energy storage, and environmental impact from manufacturing and disposal. So yun guys, dun ko na tinatapos guys ang aking vlog. Thank you for watching. I love you.